we ended off with type 4. If Sn equals 4n squared plus 4n, find the 8th term. And we said the method of attack, we're going to find S8. S8 is equal to 288. S7, I asked you before the break to continue, and I told you to get me the final answer. Remember what we said? We wanted the 8th term. So T8, what did we say? T8 is equal to S8 minus S7. So T8, the 8th term, is equal to S8, 288, minus S7. That's what I asked you to find out before the break. So S7 is equal to 4 into 7 squared is 49 plus 28. S7 is equal to 49 times 4 is 196 plus 28. S7 is equal to 196 plus 28 is 224. Therefore, we now go 288 minus 224. T8 is equal to 288 minus 224, 64. And there we go, guys. That is our final answer. T8 is equal to 64. How did we get it? We took S8 minus S7. If they gave you the Sn formula and they wanted you to find the 10th term, how would you do it? You take S10 minus S9. You take the sum of the full series minus the sum of one less, and that will give you its exact value. Just a reminder to all our viewers that you guys do know that we were running. Some of you might asking, why are we airing at this time? Remember, we were airing in Ramadan, Monday to Thursday. Remember that the times have changed. So for our new times, for the new airing times, please go on to itvnetworks.tv, check the new times for the K-Way show and follow the show. Remember, we were shooting four episodes per week. We are only now airing 2 episodes per week with a live show once a month. You want to know on what date is the live show? Please let us know. Another thing that we'd like to tell you, to all the viewers, for the live show, we'd like you to prepare your questions beforehand. So during all these shows, get all your questions. I want you to email. Some of you might be, we had this challenge through our live shows that sometimes a learner would pick up the phone and wouldn't know how to express it over the phone because the problem was so hectic. So now we do have a WhatsApp line. The WhatsApp number will come up in our next show, and we have our kwaymath@gmail.com. So you'll see our email address floating on at the bottom of your screen, kwaymath@gmail.com. Send us all your problems. We will then take your problems. Let us know who sent it so that we can put you also on show. We will then tell you in our live show. We will answer all your questions that have come up during the course of the month. So like I said, boys and girls, for our live show, which will be probably in 3 weeks' time, we're going to have a 2-hour live show. We want you to take all the questions that you have with regard to whatever we have done in all our previous episodes, and then we will answer all your questions. Now, those questions are not only for grade 12s. It's for grade 8, 9, 10, 11s, and 12s. So we want you to flood us with emails. Flood us with emails. We will have enough time to space it out, and we'll be able to give you your answers on show. Also, let us know, what are your comments about the show? What are your suggestions about the show? If you like our show, tell the world. If you don't like our show, only tell us. Don't tell anybody else. Okay, so we're now finishing up here with series. Let's now go on to the next question. We were on type number 4. We're now going on to type number 5. And this, guys, is going to close our show. Remember something? Our show is broken up into 4 segments. So please make sure our next show is going to deal with infinity and sigma notation. So please, guys, please stay focused and please stay tuned to ITV for our next show on infinity and sigma notation. Okay, let's go. This was type number 4. In fact, let's do this. Under series, let's kick off with the infinity segment already. Okay, let's go under infinity. If we have enough time today, we'll continue it. If not, it will blow over into the next show. Now, infinity, we know that we only get convergent and divergent. Let's see what the first type of a question. So type 1 in infinity. Type 1 You are finding the sum to infinity. Remember, you are finding the sum to infinity. This is type number 1. So if I told you 2 plus, let's take a common difference, a common ratio as a half. So 2 times a half. 2 times a half is 1. 1 times a half is a half. Half times a half is a quarter, plus dot 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 going on to infinity. Now they don't need to put an infinity sign. They can just leave it like that.